Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be sharing some Ramadan diet tips and the best foods to eat to keep your energy levels up during the day. First and foremost, it's important to start your day with a healthy breakfast. Eating a well-balanced meal early in the morning can help you maintain your energy levels throughout the day. Some great options for suhoor include whole grain bread, eggs, and low-fat dairy products. These foods are rich in protein and carbohydrates that can keep you full for longer periods of time. When it comes to breaking your fast, it's important to do it gradually. Start with a small date and a glass of water and wait for a few minutes before having a proper meal. This will give your body time to adjust and prevent you from overeating. For iftar, opt for foods that are easy to digest such as soup, salad, and grilled vegetables. It's also important to stay hydrated during Ramadan. Make sure to drink plenty of water and avoid sugary drinks and caffeine. If you find it difficult to drink enough water during the day, try drinking coconut water, lemon water, or herbal tea instead. Lastly, remember that moderation is key. While it's tempting to indulge in delicious Ramadan treats, try to limit your intake of fried and sugary foods. Instead, focus on whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. With these tips, you can ensure that you have a healthy and fulfilling Ramadan. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any dietary restrictions or concerns. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one.